Is my breakfast is ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Where it is?
Coming.
The breakfast are ready. Mom,
Yes.
can I keep 24 hours pasta?
Yeah, sure. This is your breakfast. So I make for you
Mia?
semiya made of pasta.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Yeah. Water, please.
Okay, coming. Here's your water.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Yummy. Yes. I will make today 24 hours pasta. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, pasta. My breakfast made of onion, carrot leaves, and tomato and
Mustard.
mustard seeds. So small. We will take a taste. Wow, Mom, it is so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why these are called pasta? Because pasta means take pass. And ta means tea. Mixed with tea, pasta. Pass, ta.
Hafsah, I get a surprise for you.
What is this, Mom?
For your lunch, I
What?
prepare for you a
hungry.
pasta. Check and what kind of pasta that I cook for you.
Spaghetti! Oh, my favorite! Thank you, Mom!
You're welcome.
Good! Thank you, Mom! This is my lunch. My mom made for me spaghetti, homemade.
What ingredients for the spaghetti?
Carrots, cheese, and spaghetti.
What have you seen there in the spaghetti? What is inside? Grated cheese, carrots,
Huh?
and pasta, onion, garlic,
Look at this. This spaghetti is very good. Tell also to your mom make it. Tell me why this is called spaghetti? Because SpongeBob, spaghetti, getting.
Yeah!
It's good. Mom, it was so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There, guys. Guys, do you want some?
Freeze!
Good. Here, guys. It is good, right? Look at the cheese, my favorite. So stretchy. Look at this. Guys, if you like my video, click the thumbs up and subscribe. We will go to the next one, dinner. This is my dinner.
What do you have?
Macaroni,
What is the ingredients of macaroni homemade?
tomato, macaroni, and also coriander leaf, turmeric, salt, water. Okay, guys, and this is tuna. Wow, this is salmon and tuna and oil. That's all? Yes. Okay, we will going to eat. Good. Tell to your mom to make macaroni. This is so much healthy. And also tuna. Let's check the tuna. It is good. Oh. This is better even than a cake. This is the last bite.
Come on.
Another bite. There's some left tuna. Come in the spoon. Why are you not coming in the spoon? Tell me why macaroni is telling? Because hamburger robots, macaroni, macaroni. Finish. That is on my 24 hours pasta challenge. Okay, ta-ta, bye-bye. Love you all. Mwah. Bye-bye.